Okay, take note of the tickling sound coming when I am cranking there. So this is the sound that indicates that your camshaft is moving. So if you hear this sound, make sure your camshaft is repaired as soon as possible. Here is the process on how to correct the problem. First of all, you have to remove this cover here. You have to remove the cover. Then after removing the cover, we'll come to the camshaft, to the gears. Okay, so this is the camshaft here. This one, beside that, this one, this still here is sitting over here, and there's friction between that iron with this one. So move this one up. So we are saying we have to move this bar here a bit upwards. Just remove this bar here slightly upwards so that it does not interfere with the camshaft's rotation. Okay, then let's try this. Also, make sure that the camshaft is held tightly to the body. Okay, so you have to push it inwards. You check here, there must be a slight difference here. Make sure there is a gap between this gear and the camshaft gear. So just push the camshaft inwards. Make sure it is held tightly to the body. Then replace the cover. Let's see if this can work. Oh, here we go. I'm done returning the cover. So let's see if there are this helps, or let's see if this works to solve our tickling problem, which also results in engine misfiring. So this is our ZS1125 diesel engine. Well, I just repaired from this tickling sound and from misfiring problem. When you are talking about misfirings, when you are trying to crank the normal way, when you try to start it, it rotates backwards. Okay, in the opposite to the normal revolutions that must be taken by this engine. Like, it must rotate in that direction, but when misfiring, it turns into this direction just for about 2 seconds, but that may hurt you a lot. Okay, so let's see if this solution works. Okay, misfire. So I'll give it about a minute running like this so that it heats up, and also to get rid of the fuel deposits inside the combustion chamber from the previous misfirings.